Hey everybody, Quilt Marine here. So this is an empty space now, and you guys remember this was my quilting room, and now it's just a room. Okay, we made a move to a bigger, better room. My son left. He got his own place, his own little apartment. We're proud of him, but his room is now my quilting room. Okay, so let's go take a look at it. All right, so we moved over to his room because his room has way more space. And this is the new digs, okay? Look at this room. This room is awesome. So look at this. I got my little display wall done, all right? Look at that. That's pretty cool, huh? 96 by 96, all right? It's the pink foam wall. You know, I got two pieces from Home Depot, taped it in the center all the way around with Gorilla Glue tape. And then I have, what is that, flannel sheet that I pulled real tight, stapled along the edges. All right, still got a couple of wrinkles in it, but I love it. All right, and it works for me because a guy like me, I like building huge quilts, and I need a huge display wall, and that's what I got. All right, look at that. That thing is nice, right? I know. All right, so next we got, in my quilt room, I put another pegboard up, all right, for my rulers, all right. I needed more space. I had my rulers hanging. If you remember in the other room, I had them hanging here, and then they were all over the place. So I wanted someplace more localized to put them, and I got another pegboard. So I put together this stand to put my other pegboard on. Okay, I put my pegboard on it, and I love it. I love it. All right, so I have to do a real quick shout out because this little piece right here, if you look, see how that's a separate piece right there? That came from Rita's Racks, Rulers and Racks, okay? It's a ruler rack from Rita, all right? And you can reach out to her to get that kind of thing. And it came in really nice, you know? I had it sitting for a while because I couldn't find a place to put it. So I digied it up. You guys know what I do. I love digiting stuff up. And I added it to my pegboard at the bottom. And it fit perfect. It's doing what I wanted to do. It's holding what I needed to hold. My cutters, you know. I wanted a separate place for my cutters. And that rack is awesome. And it came in right on time. And this is the place, right? Ruler racks, hang up rulers, and yeah. Reach out to them because that's a really great piece, all right? And she also has this thing too, this ruler holder right here, okay? It holds these rulers. I love it. And it comes in handy, all right? And here we go, to the table. So on my table, you guys probably saw the video where I put the stick, the cutting stick. Look, so hold on. My dogs are crying because one of the doors is closed. So I got my cutting mat on and my other mat. So it came out really good. I'm really proud of it. Got molding around the edge of the table, right? I'm gonna iron on this end. And you know, if I got a piece, you know, before I put it on my machine, then I'll piece right here. But other piecing, like large piecing, I'll do on that side, right? And I'm really happy with my new digs. So remember last time I had the hole in the table? So what I did was I cut this hole, right? And now I use it, so when I'm cutting and I have pieces, I just slide them in here. I put my trash can in there because I was tired of my trash can being in the way. I was tripping over my trash can. It was in the way, so that trash can went in the center. And now all I do is when I cut pieces and I have like pieces that I can't keep or don't want to keep, I just slide them over, drop them in the trash can. That's pretty cool, huh? That's pretty cool. All right, so the last thing is I had to doll up the room a little bit, right? I had to guy it up a little bit. So look what I got on the wall. Ta-da! That's pretty cool, huh? I love that. So I got that from a company called DIY Lettering. Those guys are awesome. So if you want to do something like that, decal-wise, go to these guys right here. They're not sponsoring me in any way. I thought they were really good. They gave me a great product. They gave me exactly what I wanted. And when you go on the site, you spell out what you want, right? And they ask you everything about what you want done with the lettering and stuff, okay? And then when you get it, it comes in a roll. So mine came in one long, the sentence was long. I just wanted to break it up so I can, I wanted to center it on the wall. I didn't want one long sentence going across the wall. I just had to have it right here. It's only fabric and it's only thread, okay? And that's it. That's our quilting room. It's all right. So this wall right here, I have something coming, okay? So it's gonna be, I'm gonna put the Marine Corps seal right here, all right? It hasn't arrived yet, but don't worry. There's gonna be something that represents jar heads in here, okay? So I'm gonna be putting that up right here. And then if that wall, my display wall is movable. So if I get a mid-arm, right, and hopefully I can find a mid-arm, 1600, because I saw one of those. Those things are really awesome. Who has one? If you have one, let me know. The 1600, it has a 16-inch neck. I like, that's a nice machine. But anyway, I digress. So if I get a mid-arm, because a long arm is going to be a little bit out of my wheelhouse. If I get a mid-arm, the mid-arm will go right here, and this is movable. I can move this on this side, and then put my Marine Corps seal on this side, okay? But that's the plan for right now. So it came out really good. I'm happy with my quilt room. I've been in here. My wife's been looking for me in the house, and she's been fighting me in here. And then, it's been coming out great. I'm happy with it. So, and it's a lot more easier to get around than it was in the other room, where I would go like this to get by, or I would go like this to get by on the other side, okay? Now I can just look at this. I can walk by. I have space to walk by, okay? But it's great. I love it, all right? So welcome to my quilt room. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. And remember, I'm not going to do that every time, okay? But I got to do, this is just way too easy. This is way too easy, right? It's only fabric and it's only thread. Thanks, guys.